It is very hard to surprise this Arizona real estate agent, and when I know I'm coming to a home with a mid-century modern vibe, I've got certain expectations. But when I walked into this home in north central Phoenix, my jaw literally dropped. It's the quintessential mid-century home, but it's got all the modern features you'd expect in a home that was completely remodeled in 2018. Now what the owners did here, and very well, I may add, is add on to the original home to create the ultimate 5,600 square foot modern mansion. Now it's sleek, it's got clean lines, and the details are exquisite. We've got beautiful concrete aggregate flooring, custom crafted tongue and groove ceilings which really warm the space up, and steel encasements around the windows, the fireplace, and even the entryways. Certainly one of a kind. And one of the coolest features in this home is the gym. You've got tons of natural light pouring in, so you could easily make it a studio or pool house if a home gym really isn't your thing. And the kitchen is fabulous too, from the custom walnut cabinets to the Caesar stone counters and Wolf appliances. Plus you've got this really cool appliance garage to store all your kitchen extras. But what really makes this home special is located outside. You've got a full 1 acre lot in the highly coveted Rancho Solano neighborhood, and the yard has everything. Nice fire pit area right outside the family room, built-in barbecue with dining, a cabana to relax by the pool, and mature trees everywhere which really create privacy, and tons of open space with grass all flood irrigated, I might add. So if you want to see a mid-century home that's perfect blend of old and new, then I invite you to call me, Mike Delina with North & Co, and I'll get you in to see 5727 North 3rd Avenue. I think you're going to love it.